Hey guys, we have a new feature in Vantage 2 called Render Presets, which can be found by clicking on this icon. It has a variety from low to ultra, and custom is set by you. Now, we're gonna find out what does it do exactly. So, I can go to Overlays and activate Active Pixels Overlay. Now, as you can see, we have two types of pixels, blacks and whites. White pixels are the ones which haven't been rendered yet, and the black ones, of course, they are rendered. As it can be seen, it takes a lot of time for white pixels to become black in ultra mode, which means rendered. So I can push it backwards to medium, and as you can see, the rendering pace has become much faster. So now I can disable Active Pixels Overlay so you can see the final result. In the low mode, we don't have GI, so it's not in use. I start from medium. This is the result of medium. And this one is the result of ultra. As you can see, there's not much of a difference in preview mode. So in my workflow, I can set to medium to have a faster scene. Pay attention, in medium, my FPS is around 60, but in ultra mode, it decreases to something like 15, and consequently, my workflow becomes much heavier without increasing in quality. So we set our render preset to medium. Thanks for watching and good luck.